Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you my green conure. He's, I think, 3 years old. His name is Daisy. For some reason, I don't know why I call him Daisy. He's a boy, and I don't know. I have his birth certificate, and it's a green conure. He's pretty cool. Let's go see him. His name is Daisy. Daisy!
I talked to Christina and told her they
Daisy!
can get together next weekend.
Daisy, say hi to the viewers. Daisy, you looking at my phone? Do you know who they are? They're the viewers. Daisy. And that's her. Daisy. And here's all his toys. It's a ladder to get up. Gage, he's on the roof. His balcony. He has 2 friends. Fluffy friend named, forgot the name, and another little friend. And that's all for today, viewers. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit that bell notifications, and I hope my YouTube channel grows, because right now I have 12 subscribers and like 232 views. I want to try to race that up to 1,000, and yeah, I want to try to get at least 20 likes on every video I made. My YouTube channel is Mateo Saints Row T3. Look it up. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram. It's Mateo Play. Snapchat, and Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and Google Plus. And my things, Mateo Saints Row T3 on Google Plus, and Roblox. You can log into Roblox, and you can text me. Anyway, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button so you get updated on every new video I make. Bye bye.